In today's video, I'm going to help you decide between Canva AI and Canva by breaking down which one truly fits your needs best. If you've been wondering which of these tools is right for you, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where each one shines. Let's start with Canva. Canva is an all-in-one design platform where you can create almost anything, from social media graphics and logos to videos and presentations. It's the perfect choice if you enjoy being hands-on with your designs. Canva gives you full creative control, letting you customize colors, fonts, and layouts, and even add animations. It's ideal for people who love bringing their ideas to life visually and don't mind spending a little time polishing every detail. Whether you're creating content for your business, brand, or personal projects, Canva gives you the flexibility and tools to make your work look professional and unique. Now let's move on to Canva AI. This tool takes a completely different approach. Instead of designing from scratch, Canva focuses on speed and simplicity. You just type your ideas or upload your content, and within minutes, Canva AI transforms it into sleek, professional presentations or web pages. It's perfect for those who want polished results without spending hours adjusting layouts and colors. The trade-off is that Canva doesn't offer as much customization as Canva, but that's also what makes it so quick and effortless to use. When it comes to ease of use, Canva requires a bit more time and creativity, while Canva saves you time with its automated design process. So, if you're someone who loves designing and wants to express your creativity visually, Canva is your best bet. But if your focus is getting results fast, like creating presentations or client decks in minutes, Canva AI is the way to go. In the end, both tools are powerful in their own ways. Canva gives you creative freedom, while Canva gives you instant results. The real question isn't which one is better, it's which one works better for you. Do you value artistic control or time efficiency? Let me know in the comments which tool you'd pick, Canva or Canva AI. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech reviews.